fellow followers, let's look at these questions 1 up to 4 that have to do with exponents. The question is evaluate 1, 2, 3, 4. To evaluate means to find the value of. That command means find the value of. We look at number 1 as follows. 5 squared simply means 5 multiplied by 5, and the result is 25. But when we look at number 2, there is now a negative 5 to the power of 2. What is important in this question is to notice which number is being squared. The minus here is not influenced by that square because it is not bracketed. So what is being squared is 5. And then the whole product becomes negative because the negative is still existing and is not affected by that. So my answer is negative 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to negative 25. In this case, the minus continues to be there. But let us look at number 3. In number 3, the minus is now inside the brackets. So everything is being squared. The meaning of this is negative 5 is multiplied by negative 5. So if we multiply a negative by a negative, the result will be positive. So the answer is 25 with a positive sign. Okay. So please notice the distinction between number 2 and 3. Most learners confuse between those two. Looking at number 4, let's rewrite this as 5 over 1, all to the exponent negative 2. I haven't changed anything. 5 is the same as 5 over 1. 1 is an identity for division and for multiplication. When divided by 1, any number, it won't change. When multiplied by 1, it won't change. So 1 is called a multiplicative identity or a division identity. So the whole essence is to create a fraction. Then the interpretation of this negative sign here means what you do is you take what is inside the brackets, you invert it, it becomes 1 over 2. Then this to the power of 2. So the negative exponent implies that you must invert the fraction. That's the implication of the negative. That is the function of that negative there. The negative here exponent makes the whole fraction flipped around, and then I have 1 over 5, so not 1 over 2, but 1 over 5. My apologies. 1 over 5 to the power of 2. And this is equal to 1 over 25. When you are squaring a fraction, you square both its numerator and its denominator. So the answer is 1 over 25. Okay, so this is how you deal with questions of that nature. Thank you so much.